educator and motivational dynamic. His unwavering dedication to shaping the future of our youth has led him on an incredible journey that resonates with each of us. In 2009, when he was just 22 years, Sahil started Genesis Educates with just 3 students. Today, Genesis is the region's leading coaching institute with 3 thriving branches in Panchkula and Zirakpur. If we talk about his focus, nurturing future leaders through holistic education. Sahil has touched the lives of over 10,000 students and parents across prestigious schools in northern India, with topics ranging from mobile de-addiction to cultivating a champion's mindset. His talks instill essential life skills. Students, I present to you an empowering educator and speaker, Mr. Sahil Khanna. Let's lend a ears to a voice that ignites change and lights up possibilities. We welcome you, sir.
Last time, जब मैंने इतनी भीड़ देखी थी, I think I was watching the movie Stree 2. So I think we have that kind of an audience. Very, very good afternoon to all of you. Am I audible? That's so awesome, and thank you so much for resounding reception. We'll keep it very, very simple. And generally, this is, I think, my 77th workshop in the last 5 years. So what we will do is, I'll try to keep it as simple as I have always been, but the impact will only be created if, for the next 50 odd minutes, we are only focusing upon our own self. ठीक है जी? And also I try to keep the language as a mixture of Hindi and English because कहीं ना कहीं connection better इन दो language के mixture से बनता है. चलेगा? Awesome. Once upon a time, around 10,000 BC, in the 10,000 BC, एक लड़ाई चल रही थी बच्चे, और वो लड़ाई थी पैलेस्टीन में और इजराइल में. ये लड़ाई शायद आज भी चल रही है, if you understand it, है ना? ये लड़ाई चल रही थी, और months of लड़ाई चलने के बाद भी कोई decisive conclusion नहीं आ रहा था. मैंने ऐसे conclusion की कौन सा country is winning and which country is losing. What happened was, there was no decisive conclusion coming. What Palestine did was, Palestine ने अपनी आर्मी की तरफ से एक बहुत बड़ा राक्षस टाइप 9-9.5 फीट का लंबा आदमी लड़ाई में उतार दिया. And he openly challenged to the Israel army that let's forget about fighting military. Let's have I'm giving an open challenge to the Israel army. Let's have one-on-one combat. one-on-one लड़ाई करेंगे. अगर इजराइल की आर्मी में किसी ने भी मुझे हरा दिया one-on-one में, then the Palestine will surrender. But अगर ऐसा नहीं हो पाया, then Israel has to surrender. 3 दिन तक no one in the Israel army had the guts to come and fight with them. किससे फाइट की बात कर रहे हैं मेरे बच्चे? We call that as Goliath in today's story. तो गोलियत से लड़ने के लिए किसी में भी हिम्मत नहीं थी, because of his size and the magnitude of his size and everything. 3 दिन बाद one of a very young guy with the name David, जिसका ब्रदर इजराइल आर्मी में सोल्जर थे, he came to feed his brother, खाना पुना लेके आया वो, and he observed, David observed that यार लड़ाई नहीं हो रही है, जबकि it is meant to, we are talking about 10,000 BC, जबकि लड़ाई is meant to happen, सबको ये पता है लड़ाई चल रही है, but लड़ाई नहीं हो रही. He asked his brother कि why the war is not taking place. He said because if you see, अगर आप बैटल ग्राउंड में देखोगे, अपने भाई को बोलते हो, there's a huge Goliath who has given the open challenge to everyone in the Israel army, come fight one-on-one, and if you win, we surrender and vice versa. And किसी में हिम्मत नहीं हो रही to fight. So he catapulted great. He killed the Goliath by hitting the stones, 2 stones in between his forehead. Goliath is gone. David went on to rule Israel for the longest time. It's a story given in the book Bible with the name David versus Goliath. Why I'm sharing this story with you is because by the end of the session, I want all of you to be the devil. Don't worry, you're not going to kill anyone. But the whole idea is, the whole theme of the today's session is, I want all of you, I repeat, I want all of you, each one of you sitting in this audience, class 8, class 9, class 10, I want all of you to be, I want all of you to be, मजा नहीं आया, I want all of you to be. जब मैं स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ, जब मैंने सुनाई है, तो इस स्टोरी के खत्म होते ही जल्दी बच्चा ये वही करता है कि सर मारना किसको है? We are not going to kill anyone, obviously. Literally, we are not going to kill anyone, but we are going to kill something very, 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 very big Korean, which by the end of the story, we know who is the Korean. Then I randomly ask anyone to come, or I'll come to you, and I'll ask anyone to repeat those 4 numbers in the same sequence I've shared it with you. So again, you cannot. Are you carrying your pens? But you cannot write. पर्चियाँ नहीं बनानी है. We have to be as honest. I want to see your concentration, and then we'll continue. Again, pens नहीं चलने चाहिए, सिर्फ दिमाग चलना चाहिए, memory चलनी चाहिए. Are you guys with me on this? Also, one very simple ground rule: if I find anyone talking on yourselves or on themselves, I'll come to your seat, I'll give you the mic, I'll take your seat, you'll continue the session. Done? Done? Okay, awesome. So, okay, the first 23.73. The second number is 31.78. The third number is 100, and the fourth number is किसी की भी बताइए सकती है. And the fourth number is 455.31. अभी मौका मिलेगा. So अब इन चारों नंबर्स के आगे add US billion dollars. Make sense? So the first number क्या था? So it is 23.73 US billion dollars. US dollars. Make sense? Second number was? कुछ भी बोलो, भीड़ो कुछ भी बोलो. 31.73 again US billion dollars. The third number was? The business was 100 and the last number was? Okay. Sending you around. So all these 4 numbers, who is going to repeat in the same sequence? All the 4 numbers in the same sequence? All the 4 numbers in the opposite sequence, in the reverse sequence? That's pretty awesome. Okay, I'll come to you. Now before I move ahead, any guesses ये 4 नंबर मेरे बच्चे क्या हो सकते हैं? Anyone? Raise your hand. Any guesses what these 4 numbers can be? Yes, बच्चे? Someone's whose network? Well tried. Okay, good job. Anyone else? These 4 numbers are dash 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 dash. Come on, yes, बच्चे, yes. I'll give it to you. Network of any country. Okay, not bad. The verses of the Bible. Verses of the Bible. No. And yes, बच्चे. Is it? Market size of mobile. Very good. Close. Okay, let me break the ice for you. First number क्या था? मुझे कुछ नहीं सुन रहा. But this is the net worth of Snapchat. सुना है आपने? किसी ने Snapchat सुना है? जोर से yes or no? Awesome. मजा आने वाला है बहुत. Second was what number मेरे बच्चे? Any guesses? Net worth of? इसका नाम तो बहुत आगे है. Guys, बोलने किसको बुलाया? बोलने के लिए? तो मैं बोलूँगा ना. The second was the net worth of YouTube. YouTube शॉर्ट्स देखते हैं. एक शुरू करेगा 15-20 हो गए, फिर लाइक 15-20 हो गए. Third number was that's your style. And last number was 455.31 years. That is ओए मुझे दूसरे ग्रुप में बता दो यार. मैं गेस भी करें. द नेटवर्क ऑफ मोबाइल गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री. वो कौन सी फ्री फायर पबजी एंड ऑल. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू heard of फ्री फायर? अच्छा awesome. Call of Duty? Okay, hands up. Perfect. Hands down, guys. Hands up. So, guys, please listen to me. Okay, now थोड़ा सा मैथ्स का टाइम आ गया. You have to be on the top of your game. मैं आपको 4 से 5 रेंजेस दूंगा. आप खुद उस रेंज में and be absolutely crazily, humanly honest with yourself, मेरे बच्चे. Can I expect you to be honest for the next 40 minutes? Can I expect you to be honest, guys? Yes. मैं आपको 4 से 5 विड्स दूंगा, रेंजेस दूंगा. आपने जिस रेंज में आप स्टैंड करते हो प्रेजेंटली मेरे बच्चे, आपने अपना हाथ उस रेंज में खड़ा करना है. चलेगा? Okay, so you can use your notebook, but मैं चाहता हूँ कि हम इसको mentally solve करने की कोशिश करें. I think that's not tough calculation. So giving you 30 seconds, what you have to calculate is, listen to me very carefully, फिर instructions खराब हो जाएंगे मेरे बच्चे. Give you 30 seconds, roughly calculate in 1 week from Monday to Sunday your average mobile or laptop usage apart from studies. And we have to be as honest as we can be. बेटा मौका मिलेगा. I repeat, per week calculation करके रखनी है, per week. Your 30 seconds, pin drop silence in the class. Your 30 seconds starts now. On an average, beta, you are not supposed to raise your hand till the time I ask you to raise your hand. I'll give you a chance. 30 seconds में ये calculate करो, roughly on an average in a week, how much time are you investing on any of the technology or social media or whatever, or gaming, whatever it is. And the only condition is we have to be as honest as I can be. जितना ईमानदार हो सकते हैं. I'll give you 4 to 5 slaps. You have to raise your hand once I give you the slap. Better. Okay. The first is, and be honest, assume no teacher is listening to you, no teacher is hearing you, no teacher is watching you. कि मेरे और तुम्हारे बीच की बात है. चलेगा? The first lab is 0 to 5 hours every day. Oh, sorry, in a week. 0 to 5 hours in a week. Okay. 0 to 5, awesome. 5 to 15 hours in a week. कई बच्चे हाथ नहीं खड़ा करते. ओके, परफेक्ट. वी हैव लॉट ऑफ स्लैब्स लेफ्ट, डोंट वरी. सबका मौका आएगा. हैंड्स डाउन. एवरीबॉडी हैंड्स डाउन. 5 to 15 इज डन. हैंड डाउन बच्चे. बेटा हाथ ऊपर ले जाएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 15 to 25 hours. Come on, class 9 10 and be honest. 15 to 25 hours. थोड़ी सी ऑनेस्टी बाहर आ रही है. This is per week, not per day.
Yes, sir. Sir, a day का time 25
I know I was kidding, that was a joke. Hands down, hand on bro. 25 to 35 hours per week. कहाँ छुपे हैं चैंपियंस? कहाँ हैं चैंपियंस? आओ. अभी बोल, बच्चे कह रहे थे बोलिए और ऊपर उठाओ. अभी उठाऊंगा. Okay. 35 to 45 hours a week. Okay, hands down. And the last range is above 45 hours a week. Above 45 hours a week of consumption. Okay, awesome. Guys, hands down. Who did not raise his or her hand in any of this lab? नहीं? कोई ऐसा बच्चा जिसने कहीं कभी हाथ नहीं खड़ा किया? ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए बच्चा. नहीं?
Yes, sir, मैं calculate करूँ.
क्या मेरे बच्चे? Okay, good. We'll calculate out after the class and then you can raise your hand मन में हाथ खड़ा कर लेगा. Now on a serious note. एक चीज सोचते हैं. Let's do a number. तो I think based upon your audience, let's assume 20 hours average per week. हालांकि I think इससे ज़्यादा जा रहा था with this student doubt. But can I take 20 hours per week? यार कुछ नहीं कर रहे. Assume कर लेते हैं. Let's assume we are 20 hours per week. चलेगा? Okay, so let's do mathematics. 20 hours per week. In a month we are talking about dash hours. Brilliant. 80 hours. Let's assume 80 hours in a month. 80 per month. याद रखेंगे number. In 1 year, 960 hours. Brilliant. 960 hours in a year. Let's talk about last 3 years. I think that तभी से हमारे जज्बात ज़्यादा बढ़ेंगे. So 960 into 3 would be 2880. If I know maths. Yes or no? Okay. So average out. If we talk about Manav Mangal Zirakpur Smart School, the assumption, the average consumption is coming out to be, guys, listen to me, 2,880 hours in the last 3 years. Yes or no? कईयों की इससे बहुत ज्यादा रुचि होगी. वो कह रहे हैं हमें अपने मौका कम दिया, but आपको पूरी इज्जत मिलेगी by the end of the session. And कईयों की इससे कम है, तो it's we have taken the average for such a huge amount. It's impossible for me to come and discuss one by one. Now, okay, now listen to me. So can I say, and listen to me very carefully, can I say, so we were talking about the worth of Snapchat. What was the worth of Snapchat? Amazing. This company which was started somewhere in 2011-12. So all of us who have been using it somewhere down the line, have we contributed towards growth to this value? Yes. Makes sense? Yes or no? फटाफट से करेंगे. Yes or no? Same if we talk about YouTube, which was started in 2006, 14 February. Have we contributed? And same the network we talk about, the gaming industry and everything. Have we contributed to all of them? In fact, I will say all of us in this room have contributed to them in some form or the other. Yes or no? Now here's a very simple question for you. Do they go and hire? Listen to me very carefully. Do they go and hire students in colleges or their companies, or they don't go and hire them from the students? They go and hire? Yes or no? They hire the engineers from the different countries or colleges? Yes or no? They hire the different designers also and so on. Yes or no? What kind of colleges do you think they go and hire from? So I think we get different answers. I will keep it very simple for all of you. I'll say the best of the colleges. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. This is very carefully. So अभी 3-4 I think in June में, listen to me very carefully. I got a call from one of my ex-students. He called me and said, "Sir, I wanted to thank you. I've got a job." So I said, "Beta, congratulations." So he said, like a typical question which I asked him, "Kitna package leta?" So he said, "Sir, my salary I've got is 1 crore per year." So I asked him, "Bro, congratulations." So listen to me very carefully. So I asked him which company you cracked it. He said, "Sir, I cracked Google." Listen to me. So I asked him so a brief about this guy. ये जो बच्चा था ये जेनेसिस से, if I remember correctly, 2020 में 12th पास आउट करके गया. He cracked IIT Delhi. So 20 से 24 he did his engineering. 24 he got his placement. So he called me and चलो उसने जो भी कुछ कहानी सुनाई and all. And I asked him कि तेरे साथ 3 बच्चे और गए थे IIT Delhi में इसी बैच से. उनका क्या बना? तो all of them were in the bracket of 70 lakhs to 1 crore. But then I started reflecting back. Listen to me very carefully. I started reflecting back because 4 of them and there were a few others in that batch who cracked IIT were in the same batch, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. And I started reflecting back कि during their 4 years the genesis from 2016 to 20, क्या इन सब में कुछ कॉमन था? किसी की फिजिक्स अच्छी थी, किसी का मैथ्स बहुत अच्छा था, किसी की केमिस्ट्री बहुत अच्छी थी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम जेनेसिस कुछ कॉमन था. कॉमन मुझे एक चीज मिली, द डिसिप्लिन, द एबिलिटी टू से, I want you to listen to this with all your heart. The ability to, they all had the ability to say no to the distractions for which we are so proud of their बच्चे when it mattered the most. So imagine, irony देखो, this is very very ironical मेरे बच्चे. The big giants, they will not go to any C grade or, I'm sorry to put this way, but this is the hardcore fact. They will not go to any B grade or C grade college to hire engineers or MBAs or designers or website developers or business developers to hire for their own companies. They'll go to such kind of colleges which are A+ in their ranking, A grade in their ranking, and उसमें unfortunately वो बच्चे पहुंचते हैं जो इन सर्विसेज को probably बहुत limited use करते हैं. It's the saddest part happening in the present for the present generation that the kids like most of you, I'm not attacking anyone, but I'm here to call spade a spade. It's kids like most of you who is helping them grow big. They are not even interested in you. You know what? That's the saddest part. They are more interested in someone focused. I don't want to use it in my career building years, or even if I'm using it, I'll not be slave of it. Every time the notification comes on Instagram or WhatsApp, I know the urge to control it and say, okay, I don't want to use it right now. It's my play time, or it's my study time, or is it my family time, or is it my homework time? I am going to be the master of it, not the slave of it. And हमारे जैसे भोले बच्चे, which were so happy 10 मिनट पहले, sir 45 hours plus, sir 40, sir, they're not even interested in you. They know that these kind of kids will grow to be addicted souls and will help us keep on growing. And we need the best brains of the country in the world, and they are not going to the best brains because they're so distracted. We absolutely feel terrible because of the fact that ये आपकी गलती नहीं है. You know what? Let me repeat it for you. ये हमारी गलती नहीं है. We are being manipulated every single day, every single moment with the tech giants. I call them as Goliath in today's session, to manipulate our human behavior, and I'll prove it in next 5 minutes with all the right statistics for you. Social media is a digital drug, and I'll prove it. इसीलिए when a child at Genesis comes to me and say, sir, I need a one-on-one session with you, or he approaches my team, sir, Sahil sir के साथ एक one-on-one session करा दो parents कि मेरे से मोबाइल यूज कर बोल रही है, I want to do. Urge नहीं खत्म होती. Every time I say, okay, I don't want to use my mobile, पढ़ूंगा. There is an urge inside जो कहते हैं एक बार चेक कर लेता हूँ. एक बार चेक किया, फिर से रखा, फिर से एक बार चेक कर लेता हूँ. कुछ मिस कर रहा हूँ मैं. वो एक बार करते हुए कई बार हो जाता है. And the parents blame us, unfortunately. The teachers blame us, unfortunately. We blame our own selves at the end of the day when we realize we have wasted entire day. दिल से हम जानते हैं we are not doing right for our careers. पर आपकी गलती नहीं है. आप manipulated हो. And I'll prove it in next 5 minutes. Okay, listen to this. This is the first. I'll give you a lot of punches in the next 5-7 minutes to prove that you are not wrong. You have been manipulated and you are constantly being manipulated every single day, every single hour, every single minute. We knew that we were creating something addictive that exploited a vulnerability in the human psychology from the very beginning. He described that in the early days of Facebook and Instagram, a lot of people will tell us that we are not on social media because we value the real life interactions. And we used to laugh and say, don't worry, we'll get all of you to be joining us. I really don't know if I really understood the consequences of what I was saying. Because the social media literally changes your relationship. This is very important, this is an important paragraph. The social media literally changes your relationship with the society and with each other. It interferes with the productivity in very, very weird ways. And, boys at the back, God only knows what it is doing to our children's brains. This statement, this interview was given by, the first जो मैंने पढ़ा अभी, was given by Sean Parker. He was the ex-director, he was the ex-president of Facebook when the Facebook got established along with Mark Zuckerberg. You can go home today, you can go and write on YouTube the Sean Parker 2017 interview. Now you know what this guy is doing now? Sean Parker, who developed Facebook. He's running an NGO in USA for mobile de-addiction for the youngsters, teens and young adults. The guy who built it. Next, very important. He also said that the social media was built with only one objective. How do we consume as much of your time and conscious attention as possible? It was this mindset. This is very important. It was this mindset that led to the feature called like button and heart button that gives users a little dopamine hit. You know what is a dopamine? You know what is a dopamine? It's a kind of a drug. Every time they press the like or the heart button to upload more content. Second guy, we call him Bill Maher. अभी मैंने किसके बारे में बताया आपको? Sean Parker. The second guy is Bill Maher. You can Google him also. He said even something more aggressive. He said that the tycoons of the social media have to stop pretending that they are friendly nerd towards building a better world. They have to stop pretending it. And they should admit that. This is very coolest. They have to admit that they are just tobacco farmers in the t-shirts selling an highly addictive product to the children. Because let's face it, checking your likes and notifications is the new smoking. Rosenstein. And you'll be surprised to hear that. This guy says that, and I'll tell you who is he. Justin Rosenstein tweaked his laptop's operating system to block and ban completely Snapchat, which he compares to heroin. You know what is heroin? It's a very strong drug. And he limits his usage. When he purchased a new iPhone, and he instructed his assistant, this is very important, last paragraph, to set up a parental control. This guy is not young, he's 34 years. To prevent downloading any apps. Because he knew the allure of the Facebook like button, because it gives a bright tinge of pseudo pleasure that can be as hollow as they are seductive. Because he is the man who created this like button in Facebook. Of whistleblowers. You know what is a whistleblower? Okay, so whistleblower is someone who used to work with these companies eventually realized that these companies are creating havoc for the young generation. They left the company and started doing work and started exposing them for the things they believe they have done wrong while they were working for this company. The reason I tell you we can't beat, I'll be very honest with you, the reason our willpower, हम बहुत कुछ चाहते हैं, मैं मोबाइल टच नहीं करूंगा आधा घंटा, मैं हार जाता हूँ, मैं 10 मिनट मोबाइल टच नहीं करूंगा, मैं हार जाता हूँ. ये मैंने जैसे बोला हमारी गलती इसलिए नहीं है, because it's something like a young 14-15-year-old kid who is being manipulated, who is being crazily manipulated to use them because they have designed it by hiring, listen to me now, by hiring the best brains of the world to create something so addictive that we are forced to use it in spite of not having the will to use it every single time. And ये आपके साथ नहीं है. Go back and look at your parents. Unfortunately, I closely observe. I'm not naming obviously. When parents come to Genesis PTMs and we closely observe them, most of them, unfortunately, instead of talking to their kid during the PTM, waiting for their turn, they're scrolling their mobile. So, parents, I'm 38 years of age. So your parents must be around 40-45ish. So imagine people like us who are so mature. We get come to this kind of a pressure. What is going to happen with a 15-year-old kid? आपकी गलती नहीं है. But let me show an eye-opening presentation to you for 4 to 5 slides. For how many years? 70. So what I've done is, this is very interesting. मैंने क्या किया? एक 70 साल की इंसान की जिंदगी को months में डिवाइड किया. तो 70 years मतलब how many months? 840. लिखा सबको समझ आया? So 840 dots बना दिए मैंने. You see, this screen shows that average lifespan of the year. So this is representing 840 months. बस इतने ही जीने हमने. Make sense? Make sense? Okay, next slide. Okay, now assuming you are 15 years now, again few of you are 16, few of you are 14, I'm taking an average. You are 15 years now, 180 months are gone. Yes or no? बड़ा simple math है. हम 15 साल के हो चुके हैं, 15 to 12. 180 months are gone. तो जो months gone है, I've shown it with the yellow color. तो बचे months कितने? जो नीचे आपको black दिख रहा है. चलेगा मेरे बच्चे? Okay, next slide. Now let's assume we sleep for 8 hours every day. इतना सोना चाहिए. So in the remaining time, 8 hours per day is a very simple calculation. Again, this is not a mathematics class, but it's a very simple calculation. It's 1/3 of a day. Yes or no? So 1/3 of a day. मतलब जो remaining months बचे हमारी जिंदगी के, उससे 1/3 टाइम अगर हम सोने में लगा दें, again this is average human being life cycle. हम individual debate नहीं करेंगे, सबके लिए fit नहीं है. This is a global statistic. So assuming another 1/3 is gone, which means that another 220 months gone. If you do the calculation, the remaining dots are 440. Can you see the black dots now? Yes or no? ऊपर वाले येलो कहाँ चले गए? आपकी उम्र तक चले गए. नीचे वाले ब्लू कहाँ चले जाएंगे? सोने में चले जाएंगे क्योंकि सोना भी जरूरी है. And we keep on sleeping for the lot of time. And so next slide. Okay. So assuming that we spend another 10 years in education. Again, this can be 8 years for few, 12 years for few. Average मैंने मान लिया 10 years in education. This means your schooling, your college, your university, your degrees, whatever it is you will do in life. So another few months will go, so which means that I assume not much are gone. There are not much which are gone as a green. So next slide. Then the remaining years I read it for you because शायद पीछे से पढ़ा नहीं जाएगा. पूरी लाइफ का अगला पार्ट. And this is a global research, not just my document. 18 months will be gone in driving, different driving मतलब आप कितना टाइम रोड पे ट्रैवल करोगे all these years. Then there's your daily households, आप personal hygiene, washroom, what नहाने में, daily काम जो भी आप करोगे. Eventually, listen to me very carefully. If you see eventually, the bottom yellow, the bottom black is 263 months. Can you remove the last night जी? सिर्फ ये टाइम है हमारे पास. सिर्फ इतने महीने हैं हमारे पास to make a life worth counting. And जब मैं इसको देखता हूँ मैं कमेंट कर सकता है 38 को मेरे को अच्छा लगता है. Which means what? You have to choose. Do you want to only play PUBG during this time? Do you only want to scroll Instagram and help someone else get big? Or do you want to do something for your life? मैं तुम्हें obviously I don't believe in preaching. That's not my style. ये नहीं है सर यार. Assuming you're 50, 40 वाले के बाद ज़्यादा होगा, 60 वाले के वैसे कम होगा. This attraction, response करना जो मेरे अंदर urge आती है हर 10-15 मिनट बाद, उसको control नहीं कर पाऊंगा क्योंकि they have been designed in a way to manipulate you to consume the drug called social media drug. But I want all of you to be. I want all of you to be the. I repeat, I want all of you to be the. So the last part of the session, based upon what has worked for a lot of students like you, and few of them are being implemented by me also individually. I'll share some practical tools. Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir.
Guys, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
I'll share some practical tools for helping you to beat the goal. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Guys, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
We can do the devil. I'll keep it very simple. I'll share something with you by the end of the session also. Listen to me very carefully. I'll share the simplest strategies first, simplest tools. Trust me, without these tools, it becomes very difficult to beat the goal here. And I've shared it. अब हुआ क्या है? इतने सालों में क्या हुआ? Especially last 4-5 सालों में क्या हुआ? You see बेटा, हम लोग लाइफ में किस चीज की मास्टरी अटेन करते हैं? सोच के बताओ. हम लाइफ में किस चीज की मास्टरी अटेन कर लेते हैं? The things we practice. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I want to be great at mathematics, the only way to be great at mathematics is keep on practicing mathematics and similarly other subjects also. And if I want to be great at football, I have to keep on playing it. And same is for other games or guitar or yes or no. Now what has happened is, in the last 3-4 years, what we have been doing is, we have been practicing. Listen to me very carefully. We have been practicing day and night to be distracted. Think about it. हम लगातार क्या प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं? हम ये प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं कि हम डिस्ट्रैक्टेड ही रहे. हम जान के नहीं कर रहे, but ऐसा हो रहा है. Now eventually after 3 years, 4 years, जैसा हमने डिस्कस किया स्टार्टिंग में, after spending 3 years, 4 years of our last few years, we have become, most of us have become the masters at remaining distracted. Now suddenly my teacher comes to me and says, why are you not focusing? My parents tell me every single day, why are you not focusing? My elder sibling is telling me that why are you not focusing? Why are you distracted? ध्यान कहाँ है? Typical line, ध्यान कहाँ है? But NCERT की किसी बुक में भी ये चैप्टर नहीं, how to remain focused. हम चुके हैं to remain distracted. But the world expects us to be focused. So no one is teaching us to be focused. Because you see, for being the master at something, you need to practice it. And we have not practiced it from last so many years. Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's understand this now. कुछ बहुत सिंपल चीजें जो आपको करनी चाहिए. अगर again, this is not for all of you. Again, for the kids who want to be David and take control back of their life. I'll be very honest with you. The kids who want to be the David and want to take control, this is for them. The rest of you can skip. Number 1, try करो. Most of the apps that can you use on your mobile की जगह, you can start using them. The apps which is possible, use them on laptop or desktop. I'll give you very कोई high five बात नहीं करूँगा. I'll keep it very simple things which are worked for a lot of students of Genesis also and for me also. जो apps, I repeat it in Hindi, जो apps मेरे बच्चे, everybody can do it. जो apps आपको लगता है can also be accessed on the laptop or desktop, उनको मोबाइल से शिफ्ट कर दो कहाँ पे? Remove them from the mobile. Simple. Number 1. I'll take the doubts at the end of the session. Don't worry. Number 2. This is very good. There, include your family in this. The second advice I'm giving. But आपको notes मिलेंगे sir. By the way, I give you notes. You don't have to write anything. We'll give you the printed notes of the session. Don't worry. Second is, parents के साथ discuss करना चाहते हैं and we do a heart to heart discussion with them. Create अपने घर में a tech-free zone. What is a tech-free zone?
A room without technical.
Any area or geography in your home जहाँ पे there is no technology allowed. It could be washroom. We can start with the washroom. No mobiles to be taken in the washroom. You can convince your mother to not have mobile in the kitchen if possible. लड़ाई हो जाएगी, चित्तर पड़ेंगे, but मनाने के बाद ठीक है. It could be a drawing room. It could be your own personal room. You have it. 3-4 zones ऐसे रख लो on a serious place, which where the technology is banned. And take a printout. You have to do it for your own life. But take a printout and उस पे लिख दो no tech zone. घर पे 4-5 जगह printout चिपका लो, डबल टेप से चिपकाना है तो घर वाले डांटेंगे, दीवार खराब करेंगे. No, क्या बोला पहला? First was switch off your convert mobile to those. Second, define tech-free zones. Number 3, define tech-free times. Now when I say tech-free zone का मतलब हम जगह की बात कर रहे हैं. यहाँ नहीं होगा, यहाँ. Tech-free time मतलब एक window of time होगा which you want to spend with your family and vice versa, where you're not. That's the self-control, where you are not using it. No one is allowed to use it. I repeat, no one. ये ground rules आपको अपनी family के साथ मिलकर रखने पड़ेंगे, नहीं तो हम हार जाएंगे. यहाँ तक क्लियर हुआ? Guys, यहाँ तक क्लियर हुआ? इसके बाद very simple but very powerful. आज जाके एक चीज चेक करना and everybody of us can do it. एक ना मोड होता है ग्रे स्केल मोड. Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir.
Great. जिसने नहीं सुना, go home. I repeat, go home and enable the grayscale mode on your mobile phones. Very simple to हर एक Android का अलग setting है, iOS का अलग setting है. You would find your mobile after the grayscale mode इतना boring लगेगा आपको mobile, you would start throwing it away. That kind of powerful mode it is. You would start, it will no longer be an attractive thing for you. क्या बोला मैंने? Grayscale mode. Am I clear? Yes. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
इसके लिए स्क्रीन का वाइटल ग्रे कर दी, ऐसा बताया ये क्या है, मैंने टच करूंगा. And last technique, the most powerful one, जिसके लिए we would need you to have a friend of yours in this room today. Listen to me very carefully. Guys, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Last technique, which is the game changer for practicing focus. मैं खुद ट्रेनिंग से कर रहा हूँ. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को I am making sure that all the most of the students who are serious aspirants in Genesis are doing it. Listen to me, what we are going to do. सबसे पहले, this is the game changer. Last but the best. And everybody of you can do it from today. इसके लिए मैं आपको ट्रैकर भी दूंगा जिसमें आपको उसकी रोज एंट्री करनी है. अपने घर में अभी सोचो, स्टार्ट विजुअलाइजिंग. एक फिक्स्ड जगह सोचो पहले. It could be a corner in your home. It could be, it cannot be a bathroom. I repeat. No, I'm serious. It cannot be a bathroom. It can be any space fixed जहाँ पे जो मैं बोलूँगा 45 मिनट्स के लिए हमें रोज फिक्स करना ही करना है. दो चीजें फिक्स करो पहले. बेटा बाद में हाइफाई करूँगा. Number one, I repeat. Number one, fix a space in your home. कर लिया? Imagine, मैं फिर से रेजो हैंड जिन्होंने अपने घर में एक जगह सोच ली है, जिनके ध्यान में एक जगह आ गई है क्योंकि हमारे दिमाग में जगह बैठ गई है. Hands down. Hands down. Now fix a time. मतलब it could be any time for you post your school. It could be, I repeat, एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. किसी के लिए रात को 9 से 9:45 हो सकता है. किसी के लिए स्कूल से 3 to 3:45 हो सकता है. किसी के लिए शाम को 6 to 6:45 हो सकता है. किसी के लिए रात को 10 to, आपके अपने रूटीन्स हैं. एक फिक्स टाइम, फिक्स जगह, अपने घर में, लेकिन दोस्त के घर में नहीं, अपने घर में. किसने दोनों चीजें लॉक कर ली है. फिक्स पे, you can't change it. I repeat, 21 days you can't change it. Awesome, great. जो रह गए बराबर से कर लेना. Now what you have to do? Now what you have to do? For that 45 minutes every single day, you can do anything or everything without having any access of any technology. And you cannot leave your seat during that window of 45 minutes in that time period. Which means खाना खुना खा के, ताकि बीच में प्यास न लगे. अगर प्यास लगती ज्यादा तो कैरी योर बॉटल. Every single day, I repeat, every single day, the time cannot change, the place cannot change. You have to sit and do anything. You want to draw, you can draw. गलती से मन कर जाए पढ़ने का, पढ़ लेना, कोई इशू नहीं है. You want to read a comic, story book, yes, you can't listen to the songs. And above all, you can't sleep also. इसे सो गया तो बैठे का समझ लो, सो ही. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. This is the simplest way. This 45-minute window is the simplest way to build a superpower concentration. But 45 minutes, I'll be very honest with you. You want to check how addicted are you? Go home when you practice it for the first day. 5 मिनट में बैट बजना शुरू हो जाएगा. आपको लगेगा मेरे पीछे स्प्रिंग लग गया है. Let me go and have water. Let me go and check my screen. Let me go and talk to my friend. Let me ask my mother. पानी दे दो, खाना बना दो, ऑमलेट बना दो, whatever. And next, the sooner you get the urge to get up, the high is the distraction level you have. High is the distraction level you have. But डेविड वही बनेगा जो, मैं आपको स्कोर टारगेट दे रहा हूं, जो नेक्स्ट 21 डेज में से एटलीस्ट 16 विंस करेगा. अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा हाउ डू यू एक्चुअली डू इट एवरी सिंगल डे विद योर फ्रेंड ऑफ योर. डे 1 आज हुआ है, आपको तो आज से डिसाइड किया मैंने, आई हैव डू इट. या कोई बच्चा कहता है कल से करूंगा, बट व्हेनेवर यू डू इट, यू हैव टू डू इट कंसेक्यूटिवली फॉर 21 डेज. आई वांट एवरीबॉडी, नाउ लिसन टू मी व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. डे 1 आज मैंने किया, मैंने डिसाइड किया होगा that from 9 PM to 9:45 PM I will be doing this exercise. Done? Because of any XYZ reason, मेरे unexpected relatives आ गए थे, कोई और आ गया था, पड़ोसी आ गया था, दही मांगने, whatever it is. I am not able to do it and I failed that doing it. So what I'll do is I'll write a L on that day. L standing to be the winner. I repeat, we deserve to be the winner. Now at the end of the day, आपने जिस friend को choose किया है, that friend, he or she is your accountability partner. What you have to do is, you have to click a picture of your this and send it to your friend for the next 21 days, and he or she will share it with you on the same time. You can fix up a time. उसके बाद चैटिंग मत शुरू कर देना, क्या बना बहन तेरा, नो जस्ट अ पिक्चर दैट द कन्वर्सेशन एंड पता लगा इसी वक्त डिस्ट्रैक्शन बना लिया, जस्ट अगली बार स्कूल में डिस्कस करना क्या हुआ, जस्ट अ पिक्चर ऑफ द दिस चार्ट. आर यू गाइस विद मी? Are you guys with me? Yes. Okay, closing comment. Listen to me very carefully. You see, now this comes with all my heart, and last 3 minutes now. मैं genuinely, when I see students of your age spoiling your lives, I'll be very honest with you. This is actually पूरा दिल से, no formalities. When I see students, youngsters like you, champion minds, brilliant brains. I'm not talking about your scores. Scores ऊपर नीचे होते हैं. And when I see you guys distracted, you were so proud. I'm not again naming anyone. You were so proud of the fact that you're spending 30 hours per week, 40 hours per week. मेरा दिल रोता है. Because you are not understanding the importance of this age. You know what? I repeat this for all of you. You as a teenager will have a lot of challenges. I'm absolutely sure about it. When I was a teenager, I failed my class 8. I lost my father when I was in class 11. I almost somehow managed to pass class 12. And if by that background, to build something small, majorly successful like this, I'm standing in front of you, I'm a backbencher throughout my life. Never a front bencher. मुझे नहीं याद. I was studying in DAV. मुझे पूरी school life में नहीं याद if I have got even a single certificate. I think one certificate I have got. That is also for Dharam Shiksha. I'll be very honest with you. If I can build it, imagine what you can do with all the right resources and the powerful mindset you are. Every one of you, मैं बारी-बारी बोल रहा हूँ, ये पढ़ाई से related नहीं है. Everybody of you has a champion inside you, जो तड़प रहा है बाहर आने के लिए, to give your best, to show that you are a champion. Don't let the distractions deviate us from our own path. And I've given my personal email address to you in this. You can write to me about anything or everything related to your career, life, challenges. I would love to help you. Worst case scenario, you can also put a message on the official number of Genesis. They have a team of, I have a team of around 38 people. Somewhere down the line, they'll send your message to me. I'll definitely respond. But mail is a great option. I'm mostly active on all the social media. Somewhere you can find me with it. In the next 21 days, 16 W's or 16 L's. 16 W's if we can score in the next 21 days. We are deserving to be the winner.